Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and I have started the series of line integral. So in question number 3, calculate line integral x square plus y square I vector minus 2xy j vector dot dr vector, where in first case C is the parabola x square equals y from 0 0 to 1 1, and second case is C is bounded by rectangle y equals 0, y equals b, x equals 0 and x equals a, and case third is parabola in the parametric form x equals t and y equals t square plus 1 from point 0 1 to 1 comma 2. So we know the position vector r vector is x I vector plus y j vector in xy plane. So differentiating, we get dr vector is I dx plus j vector dy, and the curve is parabola y square equals x square equals y. So first of all, we need to draw this y square equals x square equals y. So for every, this is x axis and this is y axis and this is the origin O, and for every positive or negative value of x, the y will be positive, so this will be in this direction. I repeat, when x equals 0, y equals 0, that means it passes to origin, and when x equals positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, or negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on, y equals positive, because positive square is also positive and negative square is also positive, so the parabola will be in positive y direction from 0 0, from this 0 comma 0 is the point at this origin to 1 1 comma 1. So we need to find the line integral from 0 O to, let's say, A or B, whatever. Integration of x square plus y square I vector minus 2xy j vector dot dr. Dr is simply I dx plus j dy. So I dot I is 1 and j dot j is 1. So this multiplied by this is x square plus y square dx, and this is, I think, minus, so minus 2xy dy. C is the parabola x square equals 1, sorry, y. X square equals y, so they are differentiating 2x dx equals dy, which is same as dy equals 2x dy, as x varies from this 0 to this 1, from 0 to 1. So x from 0 to 1, x square is the same, and y square is y is x square, and the whole square is x power 4 minus 2 x y is x square, and dy is 2x dx. So x square plus x4 minus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and x here power 2 1 1. 2 plus 1 is 4. So x square and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So it is x power 2 plus 1, that is 3, divided by that 3, minus 3, and x 4 plus 1 is 5, divided by that 5, and x varies from 0 to 1. Plug in upper limit, we get 1 power cube is same thing as 1 divided by 3 minus 3 over 5, because 1 power 5 is 1. So simplifying, we get negative 4 over 15. This is the required answer. And for case second, bounded by the rectangle, this rectangle, y equals 0, y equals b, x equals 0, and x equals a. Y equals 0, y equals b. This is y-axis, so y equals 0 is this, y equals 0 is this, and this line is y equals b, this distance being b, and this distance being a. So x equals 0 to x equals a. X equals 0 is y-axis to x equals a. This distance is a, so x is equal to a. So we need to find the line integral from 0 to a to b, b to c, and c to o. This is anti-clockwise direction. So integration from 0 to a to b, b to c, and c to o along OA. Along this OA, this is y equals 0. So there is no change in y, there is only change in x. So dy equals 0. X varies from 0 to a. So x varies from 0 to a. X square plus y is 0. So 0 dx, and this whole term will be 0 because dy is 0. So it is from 0 to a x square dx. Integration of x square is 2 plus 1, that is 3, and divided by that 3, and limit from 0 to a. Plugging upper limit, it is a cube by 3, and lower limit, that is 0 cube by 3, which is 0. And along AB, this is the line with x equals this a, x equals a. So the x is a all over the line, so change in x is 0, so dx equals 0, and y varies from 0 to b, 0 to b, so 0 to b, dx is 0, so as dx is 0, 0 multiplied something is 0, so this whole term is 0, and leaving behind minus 2 xy dy. Minus 2 xy dy, x being a, so it is integration from 0 to b, and minus is taken out, and 2ay dy. So derivative 2a is constant, and derivative y is y square by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel, so minus is here, so it is minus 2 and 2 cancel, so a y square. So plugging upper limit, y is b, so minus a b square, and lower limit will be 0. Next is along BC. Along BC, this line is y equals b, y equals b. So there is no change in y, so dy, because b is the constant, so dy is 0, and x varies from for AB. For BC, x varies from a to 0. A to 0, a to 0. As dy is 0, this whole term will vanish, leaving behind this x square plus y square dx. X square plus y square dx. X is a, so a square plus first of all we do the integral. X square integration is x cubed by 3 plus b square, and integration of b square is b square, and this x will come here, so a to 0, so plugging upper limit, this is 0 by 3, that is 0, and plus 0 multiplied something is 0, so minus plugging negative this lower limit, it is a cubed by 3 b square a, that is a b square, so it will be minus a cubed by 3 minus a b square. Along CO, from C to by this arrow O, not from O to C, from C to O, this is the y-axis, the equation of y-axis is x equals 0. Since x is 0, differentiating we get dx equals 0, and y varies from b to 0. Y varies from b to 0, and here dx is 0 and x is 0. Dx is 0, and 0 multiplied by something is 0, and x is 0, and 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0. So line integral is from O to A plus A to B plus B to C plus C to O. That is from O to A, that is A cube by 3 plus negative AB square plus multiplied minus is minus, so A cube by 3 minus is B square. A cube by 3 minus AB square and 0. So it is simplifying, we get minus 2AB square. And this third one is it is the parabola in parametric form. So x equals t and y equals t square plus 1. By using this, y equals t square plus 1, where t is x, so t square is same thing as x square, so remaining is plus 1. So this is the required equation of parabola. Y equals x square plus 1. Y equals x square plus 1 and 0, 1 to 1, 2. 0, 1 to 1, 2. Differentiating this equation, we get dy equals 2x dx, so that x varies from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and f vector is x square plus y square I vector minus 2xy j vector. X square plus y square and multiplying by dr, we get dx minus 2xy dy, because dr is I dx plus I vector, j vector dy plus k vector dz. So this is only 2 dimensions, so dz will be 0, no need to write dz. So x square plus y square is y square is this, y is x square plus 1 the whole square. So this is, let this be a and this be b, so it is a plus b whole square is a square plus 2b plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is this and square plus 2 multiply a multiply b plus 1 square, that is 1. So it is x power 4 plus 2 x square plus 1 x square, and y square is x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus 2x, y is x square plus 1, and dy is 2x dx. So it is 2x square plus x square, 3x square, and x power 4, and 1 minus 2 into 2, 4, and x power 2, 1, 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4, minus 2x into 2x, that is 4x square, and bracket dx. So it is 1, and x square is 3x square minus 4x square is minus x square, and x power 4 minus 4x4 is minus 3x power 4. So by integration we get integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus x, 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3 minus 3 x power 4 plus 1, that is 5 divided by 5, and from 0 to 1. Putting upper limit, that is 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 3 by 5, and lower limit is all 0. So simplifying we get 1 over 15. Next is evaluate this line integral from point 0, 1 to next point 1, 2. X square minus y dx plus y square plus x dy along a straight line from